Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Info. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Ridgeline. Honda has consistently impressed with their versatile and stylish Ridgeline, and this latest model promises even more. Let's get into the details. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline features a refreshed exterior design that blends ruggedness with modern appeal. Up front, you'll notice a bold grille accompanied by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The sculpted lines along the body give it a muscular yet refined look, while the available paint options include vibrant choices that really make this truck stand out on the road. Step inside the 2025 Ridgeline, and you're greeted with a spacious and comfortable cabin, designed with both driver and passenger in mind. Premium materials and thoughtful ergonomics ensure a pleasant driving experience, whether you're on a daily commute or a weekend adventure. The latest tech features include a large touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as advanced driver assistance systems that prioritize safety and convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Ridgeline boasts a powerful engine lineup that delivers both performance and efficiency. Whether you opt for the standard engine or the available upgraded option, you can expect smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Honda's renowned all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in various road conditions, making the Ridgeline a capable companion, both on and off the pavement. One of the standout features of the Ridgeline has always been its innovative cargo bed, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. The dual-action tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the lockable in-bed trunk provides secure storage for your gear. With a generous payload capacity and available towing package, the Ridgeline is ready to tackle any hauling task you throw at it. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Honda Ridgeline, with a suite of advanced safety features designed to protect you and your passengers on every journey. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and collision mitigation braking, Honda sensing technologies provide peace of mind by helping to avoid accidents before they happen. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Ridgeline impresses with its combination of rugged capability, modern technology, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a daily driver or an adventure seeker, this truck offers the versatility and reliability that Honda is known for. What do you think about the new Ridgeline? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.